Good evening. My name's Ken Huff, and as you can tell, I need to spend time at the dentist's office getting some new teeth. I have dentures, and they're very old and wore out, but I've seen do-it-yourself dentures online. I think it comes with all the items you need. Here, I'll show you roughly. Anyways, I've already started. I thought, crap, I should at least attempt to make a YouTube picture of what I've done so far. So, anyways, it comes with a kit with plaster and instructions and denture grip. It comes with the molds you need for making your impression plates, I think it is. 2-part, like clay type stuff, kind of hardens. I already made an impression of my uppers. You mix the 2 parts, you place it inside this little tray, stick it in your mouth, complete continued pressure, and then silent, huh? Alright, it says, hold it to the roof of your mouth or the bottom of your lower jaw for 4 minutes. Okay. Now I rigged up this nice little configuration here, if you can see it. I got the camera facing the wrong way. Anyways, that's what I'm going to put the plaster Paris. You mix the plaster, and that's the impression of the roof of my mouth. This here is the plaster, basically plaster Paris. You mix a little water, stir it up, and you pour it into the mold until it sets up. And then we'll go to the next step. Give it a shot. I bought 2 kits in case I screw up the first one. But anyways, something to do on a Friday night. I could be out at the bar drinking, but there ain't no party girl gonna come up to me with a smile like this, so, what the hell? I'll give it a shot. Alright, catch you on down the line here. Thank you for watching. There you go again. This is the, I dumped out some plaster Paris, and now I'm going to add a little water. I don't have a fancy telephone stand to hold it up, so I'm going to add a little water just to show you, just add to get it started, start mixing it. I will mix it and I'll get back to you.